Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hibernate your Windows 10 operating system. uh, Recently a customer complained he couldn't find the Windows hibernate button in his Windows 10 laptop. But the truth is most Windows 10 doesn't pop up the Windows hibernating key. Yeah, so you have to set that up automatically yourself, and by replacing the power button with the hibernating key. So you go to your control panel and you click on large icon. Okay, so here you click on power option. Okay, and this is where you have the access to choose what power button do, and we're just going to reset this particular button to hibernate whenever you press it while the operating system is still running. So you click on it, and when I press the power button, the system should hibernate. You can see there when I press the sleep button and when I close the lid. What do you want the system to do whenever you close the lid to sleep? So after changing the setting, you click on save, and whenever you press the power button, trust me, the system is just going to hibernate for you. And that is how to activate the Windows 10 hibernate button. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I drop a new video, and don't forget to share with friends. Thank you.